Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know what you should be doing if your Bendigo's bank credit card is lost or stolen. So in that situation, what you can do is you can just follow the steps. You can instant card protection at your fingertips. Now if you want to control instant control over the card register for e-banking, you should log into your account and then you should temporarily block your credit card. So to temporarily block your credit card, you just have to log into your online banking or Bendigo's app. Go to the card section and then locate menu. When you press on the menu button, then select temporary locked or temporary block card. Then the card image will display a padlock and card is blocked. Text to indicate your card is now blocked. When you find your card, simply click on the click or tap on the unblock card and you're back in the business. Likewise, you can also go ahead and report a lost or stolen. For that, you need to log in, or from the home page you could go to the help and support. You could log in into your account and go to card section. Then next you need to press on the report button. As you do that, mention all of the informations and click on the report card button. Report lost or stolen and your new card is, and then you should be able to get the new card. Likewise, you can follow this prompt or contact the customer support team directly through the toll-free number that they have mentioned. With that, you'll have successfully recovered your Bendigo's bank credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.